Hi there, great to see you again. In this video, I'll show you how to accept ACH payments with Stripe effortlessly in just 5 minutes. This guide will help you seamlessly integrate ACH payments into your Stripe account, making it easier to manage direct bank transactions efficiently. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and head over to Stripe's website by typing stripe.com. Once you're on the site, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click the Sign In button. Enter your email and password associated with your Stripe account to access your dashboard. Once logged into Stripe's dashboard, you'll find yourself on the home page. It's a good idea to take a moment to reacquaint yourself with the platform if you haven't visited recently. Next, navigate to the menu on the left side of your screen and click on Settings. This section offers various configuration options for your account. Today, our focus will be on the payment settings. Within the Settings page, locate the section labeled Payments under the Product Settings category and click on it to proceed. In the Payment section, you'll notice an option labeled Payment Methods. Click on this to view the range of payment methods supported by Stripe. What we're really interested in is the direct debit option, which is a reliable method for customers to pay directly from their bank accounts. Scroll down through the payment methods list until you find the section dedicated to ACH direct debit. You might need to scroll a bit, so take your time. Upon finding the ACH direct debit option, you should see a switch or toggle next to it. This is what controls whether ACH payments are enabled for your account. Click on this switch to turn it on. Activating this option enables ACH payments, allowing you to start accepting these transactions almost immediately. To wrap up, you've taken an essential step in expanding the payment options for your business or service through Stripe. By enabling ACH payments, you've opened up a convenient way for customers to pay directly from their bank accounts, which can streamline your transactions and potentially lower processing fees. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled ACH payments on your Stripe account. Make sure to explore other features and settings that Stripe offers to fully maximize the efficiency of your payment processing. Thank you for following along in this quick tutorial, and happy transacting!